So I got some bird feed at HEB, and my husband said it's not good to keep it inside, so I got it in a little Ziploc baggie for now. But I found this at Hobby Lobby, and it was on sale. So it opens up, and I want to see if in a funnel I can get the bird seed in there. I think that would be really cute. Let me move this cleaner. Get a funnel. I'm gonna get the big red one for now. Ooh. I'm gonna have to put y'all down somehow. You'll see through the wood. There we go. I don't know how this is gonna work out. I just know that I have to use 2 hands. So, I'm just opening the bird feed right now. I hope this fits. Ooh. It fits through the funnel. I'm making another one out of an old coffee can for the backyard, but this is probably going to be for the front yard. I might change that later, but for now, this is front and that's back. Woo. Now my grandpa said that the birds eat a lot of food out here, but so far they haven't touched either one of the bird feeders I have out. Or at least not the one in the front porch. I haven't taken one on the back porch. So hopefully they really do come and eat the food. Otherwise this is a waste of money. That's as full as that one's gonna get, and there's still some left. There's probably about 1/4 of the bag left. So I'm going to put it back in the Ziploc baggie thing. And the one I have on the other porch, I'm painting a blue color. It's called Ocean Mist. So I'm painting it, it's a really light blue color. And we'll see how that one goes. So I really love that light bulb with glass. I just hope it doesn't pay out in the summer heat out here in Texas. It gets really hot out here. So, I got a lot on the sink here, but that's okay. Look at that. Oh, I could have put a little bit more. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Let me put the lid on. This was on sale at Hobby Lobby. So it was half of that, because they had this for half off. So, about $3. That's cute. I love it. Simple, cute, and I can just pour it right into the bird feeder. You'll have to excuse the mess in the sink. I cleaned the counters and the stovetop, and this counter. I just haven't gotten around to this counter at the sink yet since last night, so it's a mess. I found these at Hobby Lobby too. They have their spring decor half off. So they had this one here, and then they had this little guy here. And it's a hanging pot. I've been really big into hanging pots lately. And this one's really small, so I might put some succulents in it. Or I might put some of my ice plant. I think the ice plant would look really good in this one here. But I don't have that much ice plant right now. So I'm thinking maybe the Wandering Jew, but I think the ice plant would look better. We will see. These are both going to go on the back porch because I have plenty on the front porch already. I'm starting to work on the back porch now. So that's my little bitty haul for Hobby Lobby today. I just can't get over how cute that light bulb is. Simple, but cute. Anyhow, not trying to brag or anything, trust me. Not trying to brag at all. I just love a good deal.